This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling NFC and preparing the device. Go to Settings, open Connectivity, and toggle NFC on. Once done, make sure your Honor X9C is unlocked and the screen stays active. Some tags require the phone awake. Remove or shift bulky cases so the tag can reach the internal antenna near the back center. You'll need the tag or card in hand now. Keep it within a few centimeters. This immediate setup gets you into the first actionable step, reading a tag. Once NFC is active, open the built-in reader or a reliable NFC app. You will hold the tag to the back center of the phone and tap gently. Maintain contact for 1 to 2 seconds until you see confirmation. If you're writing a tag, select the payload, URL, plain text, or app intent, then follow the app's prompts to write. Make sure airplane mode is off for actions needing connectivity. If writing fails, retry with a fresh tag or reduce case thickness to improve antenna coupling. To finish, always verify the tag by reading it again with your Honor X9C. Confirm the URL, text, or app action triggers correctly. If automations are involved, test the flow end-to-end while keeping the phone unlocked. For persistent issues, reboot the phone, remove the case, and retry with a known good tag, because alignment or damaged tags are common causes. If reads still fail, open NFC diagnostics in Settings or an app to check hardware status. This single tip will save you time and isolate faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.